Hi, I'm Dr. Soyona Rafatjah, Medical Director at PrimeHealth, and I'm here to welcome you to week 1 of your nutrition challenge of our 28-day challenge. First of all, congratulations on embarking on this journey, and I'm really excited for you. I hope that it brings you that much closer to your wellness goals. So for week 1, we are challenging you to go sugar and or alcohol free. While that may be a little bit daunting, especially with us becoming a little bit more social now, going from stay at home to safer at home, we just want you to be aware of sugar and alcohol, what it does to your body, and how you could potentially reduce or eliminate one or both through this wellness challenge. So first of all, I want to talk to you a little bit about sugar. There's really no scientific backing that there's any benefit at all to eating or consuming refined sugar. Refined sugar comes by many different names. It goes by high fructose corn syrup, fructose, glucose, maltose, dextrose, sucrose. There's many names and it's all the same thing, added sugar. Unfortunately, sugar is addictive, and as you eliminate it from your diet, the first few days may be really hard. If you are consuming a decent amount of sugar, you may experience fatigue, irritability, sleep disturbance. So if you are having those experiences, contact someone. If you have a problem, contact a medical provider. But if it's not that serious, I do suggest that you push through, drink a lot of water, clear it out of your system, try to get good sleep and hydration, and you will get through it. Sugar causes all kinds of problems in our bodies. It leads to excessive inflammation, and inflammation is the root cause of all diseases and all medical problems, really. So by eliminating sugar, you're really doing a benefit to any symptom that you might be dealing with. Sugar also leads to yeast overgrowth in the microbiome, in the gut microbes, and that leads to inflammation as well. So any kind of gut issue will also be improved upon by eliminating sugar, which is awesome. So to help you guys be that much more successful at eliminating or at least reducing refined sugar from your diet, we actually supplied you with a bunch of amazing, delicious recipes that are sugar-free from our incredible health coach, Katie. So hopefully those will help you. In addition, if you are craving something sweet or you want to add sugar to a baked good or something that you happen to be making, tea, what have you, we recommend using non-harmful sweeteners like stevia, monk fruit, or erythritol, some type of sugar alcohol. They go by brand names like Lakanto or even Swerve, and you can find these at practically any grocery store, including Costco. So hopefully that will arm you to be that much more successful at that challenge. Now, just a little bit on alcohol. Alcohol is on our elimination as well, because we think that overall it's a little bit too normalized in our society to be consuming alcohol multiple days a week, sometimes every day of the week. And while there might be some research showing that red wine has some health benefits consumed in 1 or 2 glasses a night, that's not for everyone. And there are other, contrary studies that show that any amount of alcohol can actually increase your risk of certain things like breast cancer and Alzheimer's disease. So depending on our genetics, we're going to be better able to eliminate alcohol from our bodies or not so able. So there's a toxin byproduct of alcohol called aldehyde, and some of us, including myself, actually, I'm partially genetically unable to remove aldehyde, from my system. So I can get that flushed feeling sometimes, and you don't necessarily need the flush feeling to know that you're having a toxic effect from alcohol. So for that reason, we added alcohol and sugar to the first week of our 28-day challenge. Do your best. Like I said, we're not trying to make you extra strict or perfectionist here. It's just to bring this awareness of how much refined sugar, how much alcohol am I consuming? Are there areas in my life where I can be eliminating it from my diet? Maybe certain days of the week, maybe only when I'm socializing, etc. So just starting to get the gears turning so that we can be as healthy as possible at the end of this challenge and going forward. So we welcome you to, contact us with any questions. If you want to work one-on-one with our health coach, Katie, she does an amazing job helping people through eliminations like this and more. So just let us know. We're at Prime Health, and we'll see you next week.